introducing our new campaign, Orbis Victus International or OVI. Ano nga ba ang Orbis Victus International? Ang Orbis Victus International ay pinakauna at pinakabagong division or new vertical ng Alliance in Motion Global, combining the two most lucrative and proven industry, the direct selling industry and of course the protection industry. Welcoming everyone in a new dawn of digital protection, backed up with 15 years of excellence, stability, strength, innovation, and 15 years of changing people's lives. Sa 15 taon ng sakripisyo, pagseserbisyo, at pagbibigay ng opportunity para sa ating community, patuloy na lumalaki at tumatatag ang ating kumpanya. At dahil dito, naisip ng ating Board of Directors na napapanahon na proteksyonan ang pinakamalaga nitong asset. And that is you and your people. You are our greatest asset. At dyan nagmula ang konsepto ng ating bagong campaign na Orbis Victus International. Ang pangalang Orbis ay kombinasyon ng dalawang major Latin terminologies at isang Roman numeral symbol. Una ay ang salitang Orbis. It is a Latin term for compass. Ano nga ba ang compass? It is an instrument that provides guidance and movement papunta sa tamang direksyon. This symbolizes our purpose to help you make the right decisions. Gagawin natin ang lahat upang magabayan at hindi maligaw ang bawat isa sa ating layunin. Pangalawa ay ang salitang Victus, a Latin term that means life, victory, and success. Ito ang inaasam nating lahat, ang tagumpay sa kalusugan, negosyo, at buhay. And finally, the Roman numeral symbol XV signifies the 15 years of existence ng ating company, Alliance in Motion Global, and the birth of the new division in innovation, Orbis Victus International. All of these words coming together as one marks the purpose of our company of not just enriching the lives of our people, but to always guide and protect their present, their future, and of course, their potentials. Orbis Victus International, in everything we do, we think of you.
Alam mo ba na tuwing Mondays, Wednesdays, at Fridays o MWF, meron tayong OVI Financial Empowerment Presentation sa tuwing 2 o'clock p.m., 7 o'clock in the evening, at 11 o'clock in the evening ng live presentations. At sa tuwing Tuesdays, Thursdays, at Saturdays naman, tuwing 2 o'clock at 7 o'clock p.m., live OVI Financial Empowerment Presentation. So ano pa hinihintay mo? Mag-abang na at mag-subscribe sa ating Facebook channel. What else? Mag-abang na at maghakot ng mga first-timers, ng mga prospects, ng mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, kakilala, online at offline, at ibigay ang link para makinig at makapanood ng mga pagkakataon at oportunidad para magkaroon ng proteksyon at magkaroon ng pagkakakitaan. Pwedeng maliit na income, pwedeng malaking income dito sa OVI Family. Psst, ikaw nga, tara na, makinig at matuto dito sa OVI, Orbis Victus International. Dahil dito sa OVI, we always think of you. Sali na!
Hi, good morning! Ngayon naman ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang mga advantages and benefits pag nakapag-avail ka na ng NDPP or New Division Plan Policy under Orbis Victus International. Of course, first benefit is number 1, magiging credible ka na in terms of sharing our new product because ikaw mismo ay covered and protected na ng ating Seal Pro program, which means mas may power ka para mag-share ng ating bagong product sa iyong mga prospects. Number 2, pag ikaw ay nakapag-NDPP na, lahat ng mga empowered consumerism or easy accounts mo ay OVI ready na, which means activated na rin ang easy accounts mo para mag-benefit sa marketing plan ng Orbis Victus International. Of course, another benefit is that lahat ng grupo mo, pag sila ay may reorder ng ating Seal Pro products, whether yan ay bronze or platinum, or Seal Pro packages katulad ng Seal Pro Essential, Seal Pro Enterprise, and of course Seal Pro Max Victus, lahat ng points na ito ay credited na sa iyo pag ikaw ay nakapag-NDPP na. Another thing, pag ikaw ay nakapag-NDPP na, entitled ka na para mag-add ng account, whether ikaw ay naka-maximum account na sa Empowered Consumerism, you are entitled para mag-add pa ng account ng Orbis Victus International Seal Pro packages katulad ng Seal Pro Essential, Seal Pro Enterprise, and Seal Pro Max Victus packages. And last, of course, makakasama ka na sa napakalaking industriya ng protection industry, which means magkakaroon ka palalo ng new market, new business, new prospects, at ikaw ay makakasama sa billion peso economy na umiikot sa protection industry. So mga kaibigan, avail of the NDPP as soon as possible. Napakaraming advantages, napakaraming benefits, and of course, this will surely skyrocket your income and this will surely grow your business in the future. Kaya guys, i-avail nyo na ang ating NDPP para ma-avail ninyo ang advantages and benefits ng ating new division na Orbis Victus International. Remember, in everything we do, we think of you. Morning and power to each and every one of you.
Great news! Sa lahat ng Seal Pro leaders here in the Philippines and all over the world, ito na ang ating mga pinaka-aabangan na updates for our newest campaign, Orbis Victus International. Handa na ba kayo? Let's watch this video. Orbis Victus family, introducing our newest partner to further enhance and provide each and every one of us the full protection service that we deserve. Let us all welcome AXA Partners Philippines. Sino nga ba si AXA Partners Philippines? Well, coming from their core business in Europe, AXA Partners have rapidly expanded to other markets in Asia Pacific and Latin America. Ngayon, with their presence in our country, kilala sila bilang AXA Partners Philippines, trusted and recognized worldwide with more than 9,000 employees and 10 of thousands of professional network providers across the globe. AXA Partners ay ang leading provider ng assistance and protection solutions sa buong mundo with more than 1,000 existing partners and 298 billion euro global revenue last 2020. Meron silang solid track record for helping business partners like today, Orbis Victus International and Alliance in Motion Global family. They will provide us the 24/7 full protection service we need whenever we need it. At syempre, alam naman natin that AXA as the world's #1 insurance brand that has been redefining insurance standards around the globe for the past 2 centuries. Guys, yan ay 200 taon ng full operations and expertise in 64 countries, serving over 107 million customers across the planet. At ngayon, AXA rin ang isa sa pinakamalaki and fastest growing life insurance companies dito sa ating bansa. Mga kaibigan, we are very proud to welcome AXA Partners Philippines in full collaboration and merge with our existing credible and leading technology InsurTech partner, Iglo. Talaga namang mas mahisiguro ang matinding proteksyon at serbisyo para sa lahat within our Orbis Victus community. And so, in line with these new partnerships and collaborations, mas pinaganda natin ang ating mga Seal Pro products para sa bawat isa. Ngayon, we have our 3 major and primary Seal Pro products. Introducing Seal Pro's Platinum ER, Seal Pro Bronze ER, at ang ating first protection product na sadyang nakadisenyo para sa mga magigiting nating OFWs at mga kabayan sa iba't ibang bansa, our Seal Pro Brief at Care Coverage. Ang mga produktong ito, in addition to our existing regular Platinum and Bronze Seal Pro products, ay talagang makapagbibigay ng lubos na seguridad para sa ating lahat. At kasabay niyan, dahil mas pinaganda at pinatibay na ang ating mga initial Silpro products in partnership with Igloo and AXA Partners PH, tayo rin ay maglalabas ng ating enhanced new Division Policy Package. This time, our new Division Policy Package ay mayroon ng dalawang pagpipilian. Depende sa iyong protection needs. We have our local NDPP para sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Pilipinas and the international NDPP para naman sa mga kababayan natin sa iba't ibang bansa. Both NDPPs are worth 7,800 pesos only with a discounted price of 7,500 pesos para sa mga makabibili nito via one-time payment. At hindi lang yan, para sa mas mabilis at magaan na pagkuha ng iyong local or international NDPPs, you can now get protected immediately at magkakaroon ng agarang access sa marketing plan from EC to OBI by availing the Quick Start NDPP or our QNDPP. Sa halagang 2,999 pesos lamang, ikaw ay protektado na at empowered pang kumita. With your QNDPP, maaari mong bayaran ang iyong remaining balance for the full payment at your NDPP via automatic commission deduction. Talagang mas pinabilis, pinadali at ginawang abot kamay ang proteksyon para sa ating lahat dito sa Orbis Victus International. Excited ka na ba? We still have more great updates for you. Starting September 1, 2021, maaari mo nang mabili ang local NDPP, international NDPP at QNDPP sa head office, sa lahat ng ating mga BCOs, branches, nationwide at sa ating online shop para sa mga nasa ibang bansa. You can watch the previous video with my partner Vice President Georgian Gonzalez on the importance of NDPP. Now, last but definitely the most exciting update, listen carefully. Once and for all, we are highly encouraging ang lahat ng ating mga Filipino EC and EdPlan 2.0 community members to avail and activate your OBI NDPPs now. Because this coming September 9, 2021, that is 9/9, mark your calendars. We will officially start the selling and availability of all our Orbis Victus Silpro product reorders, the Platinum ER, Bronze ER, BPAT Care Coverage, Regular Platinum, Regular Bronze, at ang lahat ng ating mga Silpro packages, Essential Package, Enterprise Package, and the Max Victus Package. All of these will now be available starting September 9, 2021. We are all very excited for this momentous day. A truly life-changing innovation, our first ever vertical, punong-puno ng potensyal at opportunity para sa lahat. Let us provide protection to our greatest asset, our people. Again, here in Orbis Victus International, in everything we do, we think of you.